Hello, my friends and family, and welcome back. Thank you for tuning in into my channel. And in today's video, we are going to be doing some swatches with AwsmColor gel polishes. Is True Queen and Girl Boss. These polishes are very smooth and so pretty. They go onto your nails very easy and smooth. I only did one coat on camera and the second coat off camera. Also with these polishes, you can do some very cool nail art. You could do some nail art for spring. You could do some for Easter. This color right here is a very gorgeous red. If you like red, this one is like, it's kind of purplish. It has a little tint of purple in it, but I do consider it red because when you do like the second coat, you can kind of really see the color. This color is, if you like red, then this is the color for you. Look at this color. Look at this glitter. So pretty. With the glitter polishes, you have to make sure that you don't polish or swipe the polish in the same spot so many times, or the polish or the glitter will move down the nail. So make sure you just lightly swipe the polish to make sure that it won't move as much. I kind of did it right here. If you look at the video, I kind of did it a little bit, and so after that, I kind of like did it like very lightly so the glitter won't move. Let's talk about Girl Boss. Girl Boss is such a beautiful color. This would be nice for an Easter look. Is also one of my favorites. Billionaire is a beautiful nude polish. If you like nude, this one will be the one for you. It's very soft and not too vibrant. It's just nice, soft, and gorgeous. Now that we got finished with Girl Boss, this collection right here that you're going to be seeing is True Queen. They also have some glitters in their collection. They have like a nice green in the collection. Like Goldfinger is like a gorgeous pinkish glitter with some white sparkles, kind of remind me of a pink galaxy. I had to polish when you see me polishing it in the opposite direction, because like I said in the beginning, their glitters do kind of clump up in one spot. So to make it like even, I had to kind of polish it going the other way. This is the only one that I did 2 coats with, so you can kind of see how the full coverage is. With one coat, it was kind of thin, and then with the second one, you can see how full coverage the polishes are. Now, this white is the best white that I have used by far. Some of the whites that you use, like some of the white polishes that I have used, they're kind of streaky, they're really thin, and even if you use 2 coats, it doesn't have a full coverage. But with this one, even like if you just look, just 1 coat is kind of full coverage. And I think that one is the best white polish like I ever used. So if you like white polish, or you having trouble finding a white polish, this white polish should be the one for you. Yeah, it's really full coverage. I know you saw earlier in the clip how the green polish is around the bottle. It kind of leaked out a little bit when they shipped it to me. I wiped it, and I tried to wipe it, but it came back. But it's okay, long as the polish still works, so it's cool. But this green is like, I don't have a green in my collection, but that green is right on time. And this black one, oh my god, this is like my favorite. It has like sparkles in it. I know my daughter's gonna love this color because she loves like black polishes. But now that it has like little like white sparkles, or I don't know, fluorescent, or kind of like, I don't know, but the sparkles is gorgeous. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I will be wrong, but I have to say Makartt and AwsmColor did a really good job on these gel polishes. The colors are so gorgeous. We have some soft colors along with sparkles. You won't go wrong with this collection. If you're interested in purchasing these kits, or not kits, or collections, my discount code will be in the description box below. You get 15% off on your purchases. And yeah, so on that note, I would like to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, toodles.